This is the Python program to find the smallest among three numbers. We are taking input from the user. The user will enter first number with the help of prompt, then second number. You see here that number 2 is input, enter second number, then the third number. Then we will check with the help of condition that which number is smaller. We will check that if number 1 is smaller than equal to number 2 and number 1 is smaller than equal to number 3, then smaller number is equal to number 1. And if number 2 is smaller than equal to number 1 and number 2 is smaller than equal to number 3, then smaller number is equal to number 2. So we have checked first number here, then checked second number here. So we don't need to check the third number. We will just simply include this with the help of else, that smaller number is equal to number 3. So this print statement will print that the smallest number among the three numbers is number 1, 2 and 3 is that. Here you see that we will enter first number, that is 100, second number is 200 and the third number is say 111. So we will execute it and see. So you see here that the smallest number among 100, 200 and 111 is 100. So this program was to find the smallest number among three